Good morning! Nagluluto sila. Breakfast.
Thank you, Dad.
Breakfast.
Good morning, Lai. Thank you, Lai.
Morning. Guys, umalis na sila kanina pa. And, ngayon punta naman kami sa bahay ng nanay ni Dan. Maliligo kami. Mainit kasi, guys. So, magsiswimming kami. Punta na kami, guys, sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. And, maliligo. Nakapanligo ako. Naka-red. And, wala na akong dalang panpalit. Mag-cover na lang ako ng towel kasi malapit lang naman. Dito na kami, guys. Meron silang pa-KFC. Andun yung nachos ko. Andun sila. Kakain muna ako. Gutom pa ako, eh. Sobrang init. Init. Asin. Anyway. Ligo tayo. Wala, diba?
No, but?
Hindi. Sila.
Wala lang. Best pa rin ako hirapan.
Sali, guys. Mababasa mga. Ligo kami, guys. Ligo kami ni Lodi. Hindi na sila. Nagtatago pa kami. Nagtatago. Lunurin natin si Lodi. Hindi pero marunong lumang.
Hindi ako marunong. May mga anak naman.
Anong kalalim? I will. Ano kalalim, Day?
Ito, backpack ba na pang floaty?
Ano kalalim? Gano ka? Oh. Ay, ano ba yun? Nahulog yung ano ko. Hi, guys. Good afternoon. Hi. Hi, babe. Kakatapos ko lang, guys, maglinis ng bahay. Si Tony, kakarating niya lang din nag-golf. Sobrang dry na naman ang lips ko. Anyway, marami kaming gagawin kasi alis kami sa Tuesday ng umaga. Kaya sobrang busy. Hindi ko tuloy nakikita yung mga babaita ng ilang araw na. Pero sila, guys, nagkikita kasi mawala silang trabaho after ng New Year. Pero ako busy kasi nga alis kami ngayon. Nakatapos ko lang maglinis ng bahay. Alis kami and then may mga bibilhin. Tapos marami pa rin gagawin.
What's up? Right, let's go.
Let's go. Yan.
We go get whatever you need and then I have to go to Super Cheap.
Super cheap.
See if I can get a small bike cover.
Okay.
The chain.
Ayan. So, ang dami namin gagawin, guys. Kakalinis ko lang ng bahay. Maayos na. And, sobrang dry na naman ang lips ko. Pero, okay lang yun, guys. Kasi, malapit na natin siya matapos. 4 to go. Apat na lang. Tapos ko na yan. Anyway, alis na tayo. Kunin ko lang yung bag ko. Ayan, dalhin ko kayo. Kasi ilang araw ako hindi nag-vlog, guys. Kaya dadalhin ko kayo. No, I had a bread. I need a drink. You need stuff?
Oh, this time is to back the car on.
Okay. Let's go. Baby, let's go. So go. Si Tony gutom na. Pero ang dami namin gagawin kaya rush. Gamit namin ang car ni Bunso. Hala, ang kalat. Saan ako upo? My God, Baba. We haven't left anything in the car, babe. Did you have a look?
Yeah, I did. Yep.
That we need? It's
I initially left the GPS, but I had to say to Chase Thomas and get it.
Okay. Right. Ang kalat. Pero ililinisin namin yan mamaya, guys, kasi ito yung gagamitin namin pag nag-biyahe. Yes, we're doing road trip. 2 days road trip.
3
It's 3 days,
3
right?
days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days maybe. 3 days up there and then I reckon 4 or 5 to come home.
Magro-road trip kami. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Tony's not excited because he's driving.
Once we get there, it'll be okay because then, we can come home as slow as we want.
Yeah, so yung pupunta kami, guys, ng Gold Coast. Ang silaw, baby.
Where am I going,
so
baby?
bright. I thought you need shorts in a presents for Marianne.
Okay.
So
both in Maya.
Meyer. So, lilinisin natin yun mamaya, guys. May before and after car tour ni Thomas. Oh, guys. Michael is not Tony's son. They're not related. No.
I never met him till 4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
They're not related. Oy, Tony's son's name's Jeremy, not Michael. Michael. Pinagtitripan namin yung pangalan ni Michael. Not Michael. It's Jeremy and Thomas. Are they similar? They look similar.
Yeah, they kind of do.
Medyo similar kasi yung mukha. Maybe because they look both skinny. Oh.
I haven't seen Jeremy for 6 months or so on vlog, so.
Yeah, nandun si Jeremy sa Christmas party, but we don't have a vlog with him. Like, he's outside kasi with Thomas. We haven't showed them in the camera. So, they're there, but guys, yeah, no. Michael is not Tony, is not related to Tony. They just met.
Definitely.
Nung Christmas party, that's the first time we've met.
So you can cancel all the gossip.
Gossip. Yon. So, ano pa ba? We're going to a road trip. Yeah!
Well, it has to get serviced, so I'm sure it'll be fine.
We'll be fine. We'll be fine now.
Get serviced, join the RAA, and off we go.
Yes. We're going. Kasi guys, binenta ni Tony yung isang motor niya, and yung bumili is from Brisbane. Is that? Or he's Gold Coast?
Who's that, baby?
Who bought the bike?
Yeah, he's Brisbane City, yeah.
Taga Brisbane siya. Pupunta din naman kami doon. Kaso guys, yung container na magdadala is next month pa, kailangan niyo yung bike. So sabi ni Tony, kung gusto mo kami na lang magdadala, kasi unang plan talaga namin is mag road trip. Kaso baka busy, kaya sabi namin i-cancel na lang, next time na lang tayo mag road trip. Pero ngayon na merong dahilan para mag road trip, so mag road trip na lang kami. Yan. Kami na magdadala nung motorbike na binili nung taga person. Binenta nito yung isa kasi may darating siyang bagong. And hindi ko alam bakit niya binenta. Ayaw niya yata yun. Why did you sell it anyway? Nothing, babe. Just too many.
Too many bikes.
Too many bikes now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
I think that the share market's probably going to have a bad time.
Wala namin pera, kailangan namin kumain. Benta namin yung motorbike.
I want a whole bunch of cash available to buy some bargains.
Oh yeah, so I said we don't have money, so we have to sell your motorbike so we can eat.
Ah, well, not quite that bad.
Joke lang. Too many guys, hindi nyo naman nagagamit lahat. Why is that? That's a very new one.
Well, it's easiest to sell because it's so near new that I've got nearly the whole money for it. So that was the one that was most critical for time. So.
But you like that one because you don't have to bend very far.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm fine now. I can bend fine with the other bike, except the Augusta.
Yan. Pero guys, binenta niya nga, pero may pinalitan niya naman. Ayan na natin siya. Trip niya yan.
JB Hi-Fi.
The JB Hi-Fi. Mali
What do you
pala.
want?
I'm just going to buy a tripod.
Oh, it's tripod. Yeah.
My tripod kasi guys is broken and it's flimsy and...
But we paid the top dollar for the good one, and that was
that one
6 months ago.
But it's so big, that one.
What'd you buy it for?
I know. See, tignan mo. I'll just get a small one. Because I have small one, that's why I didn't buy the small one. Because I already have two small ones, but they're all broken. So I'm just going to buy a small one. So I'm good now. I have the big one and a small one.
Okay.
Explain pa more, no split.
That's fine.
Anyway, punta tayong Meijer kasi yung Christmas present ng sister-in-law ko ginamit namin, which is siya din naman nag-suggest, kaya papalitan ko. And bibili si Tony ng shorts kasi para sa parang pool party, tatlong party kasi guys, welcome dinner ganyan, tapos yung wedding, tapos yung relaxing at by the pool ganyan. So yun yung wedding. Did you message Claire, babe?
Not yet, no.
So baka
She's on Tuesday, I think.
baka makita din natin yung anak ni Tony doon na babae kasi magbabakasyon sila at the same time nung nandun kami. So yan. Hindi ko siya nakita guys ng ilang 2 years. I haven't seen Claire for 2 years.
No, I haven't seen her for 16 months.
So hindi ko nakita si Claire.
Oh, there's a car. Oh, there's one there. Oh no, there's.
Hindi ko nakita si Claire ng 2 taon.
We'll get one.
Yun yung anak ni Toning panganay sa pagkabinata and super bait ng batang yun. Ay, hindi pala siya bata. Ano, super bait ng anak niya ngayon. Ang mukha siya ni Tony and super tangkad niya. Anyway, ang daldal ko na naman. Pasok tayo sa loob and iwan ko na lang kayo sa car guys kasi mabilis lang naman kami. Bilisan ako mas malaking tripod guys, kaso wala. Ito lang yung meron sila, yung medyo micro, yung maliit. Sobrang liit, pero na-extend siya. $9 lang siya. Try natin, change ko kayo kasi gumagewang-gewang kayo. Dito kami sa JV Hi-Fi. Tumingin din si Tony ng drone. Pero, wala pa siya. What?
I didn't photograph the big one.
So, tatanungin niyo pa si Neil kung ano yung maganda.
I'll just leave you here. I'll run back and
Okay, babe.
10 yards away.
Sure. Palitan ko kayo guys ng tripod.
I'm getting mad.
Why are you getting mad?
Can't let us see.
Look at my tripod, babe.
Is it good?
That's
Oh,
good.
yeah, that looks fine.
It's perfect.
Good job. All for $9.95. Yeah!
Maliit lang siya guys. Tapos na-extend lang siya. Ayan. And ayan. Ayan. So ayan. Yay! At least hindi yung malaking tripod yung bit-bit mo. Nakakahiya kasi pag public. Pauwi na kami guys. Pumunta pa kami sa lumang bahay kasi kinuha namin yung trailer. Tapos, ano pa ba ginawa namin? Pumunta kami sa super cheap. Bumili lang ng cover ng motorbikes para hindi siya maaarawan pag nagdadrive kami. And, yun na. Pauwi na kami. Maglilinis kami ng car pag pauwi. Lilinisin namin tong car ni Bunso. Kasi makalat. And, ka-car wash din namin to. Tapos bukas ika-car service siya. Tapos, yun na, mag-impake na lang ako bukas. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-impake guys. Ang daming ginagawa. Ganun-ganon kami. Hi guys. Kanina pa kami nasa bahay. Naglilinis lang kami ng car sa labas. Nakakapagod. Ang init. Hindi naman mainit. Pero yung car nasa harap ng ng araw. Kaya yan. So, tapos na namin yung loob. Labas na lang. Lilinisin namin. Saka magka-car wash kami. Ayan guys, malinis na ang likod. I wish I took the before and after. Labas na lang and tapos na yung car. Mag-impake na lang ako bukas. Kasi wala kaming car bukas, is-service to. Ayan, dito kami guys. Pila na naman. Dito kami sa may so, walang pila. Ayan. Lahat kasi may pila dun. Ayan. Kami next. Bahay na kami guys. Sobrang nakakapagod pero okay lang. Ngayon gagawin ko, babalutin ko tong regalo namin para sa kapatid ni Tony kasi hindi pa namin nabigay. Nandito siya. Siya yung tatao ng bahay namin kasi wala nga kami dito for more than a week. Babalutin ko lang, iwan ko na dito sa kama kasi alis nga kami Monday, today is Sunday. I know, alis kami Tuesday ng umagang-umaga. So yan. Balutin ko na. And then, bumili din si Tony ng short. Ito na yung shorts niya. Ang mahal. Kaso, yun yung gusto niya. Yun din yung maganda kasi na style. So, yan. Okay na yan. Babalutin ko lang yung regalo and then magpapahinga ako kasi medyo masakit na naman yung ulo ko. Luto si Tony dinner, guys. Ano lang, pritong baboy at saka boiled na veggies. So, cauliflower, cabbage, and snow peas. Nandito pa. And baboy lang. Dito lang siya ng baboy. Yan lang guys ang aming dinner. Kain tayo. So, close ko na rin to guys. Please like, please subscribe if you like this video and hope to see you in my next one. See ya!